Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy M05 and I want to show you how add remove magnification to this device. Start of opening settings application. In it we must find our accessibility selection, which is in our main menu. We tap on it and there we choose our vision. Now we have our magnification, which is there, and we must turn on it and choose option how we want to activate it. Maybe tap on our accessibility button, confirm by OK, and there we have our accessibility button. To activate it, tap on it and we activate our magnification, which position we can change if we use two fingers and swipe with two fingers on screen. You can also zoom on or zoom out, or when you use one finger you can go up and down in your zoom. To turn off it, press again on your shortcut. That's all, thanks for watching, bye!